This video is from my movers and shakers will want to come abroad and be like, yeah, you see me? So if you ain't one of them, go on about your business. So today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can save money when building a house in Jamaica. When it comes to construction, there are 2 major costs: material and labor. You also have architectural design, but that's a topic for another video. Number 1, source your own material. These people are in business to make money. So if they have to purchase material on your behalf, you're going to have to pay an additional fee. Their time ain't free, because 9 times out of 10, these workers are not going to shop around for the best price. They're just going to buy the material from their friend so they could both eat. Because at the end of the day, they're not the one that has to pay. But if you source the material yourself, it's going to allow you to get a better understanding of the cost of materials. And you'll be able to build relationships in the process. And real estate is a relationship business. And as you build relationships, it will allow you to save time, money, and energy in the future. Number 2, when it comes to labor, get multiple quotes. I cannot stress this enough, because regardless of how you view this world, it's a dog eat dog world. These people do this for a living. It's a way that they provide for their family. So if they can get over on you, you best believe that's exactly what they gonna do. And they're going to milk you until you ain't got nothing else left. Not only will getting multiple quotes save you money, it will also allow you to receive multiple perspectives. And as each individual is sharing their perspective with you, it'll give birth to new ideas, and they'll point out problems that you may have not noticed or that the other contractors didn't point out either. And when it comes to choosing a contractor, pay close attention to their body language. Some of the things that you need to pay attention to is how reliable is this person? When you call them, do they answer their phone? And if they don't answer their phone, do they call you back? Because if you can't communicate with them, then just give that problem to someone else. It's going to save you a lot of time, money, and it'll prevent you from having a headache. Does this person have the right tools, or do they even have any tools? Because there's a lot of people down here that'll tell you they can do something, but in reality, they're just a cobbler that's trying to rob her. And when you ask them what's the cost, pay very close attention to how they respond. Because if they hesitate, or they tell you that they're going to have to run the numbers and let you know later, the chances are they're going to charge you more than what it costs. As you gather more information, it will equip you with the right solution for your equation. Number 3, compare prices. I have saved so much by shopping around for prices, because different hardwares price their products at different prices. Some hardware stores will sell certain products for twice the price of other hardware stores. It was just the other day that I was buying the material for the crown moldings. So I called around to multiple hardware stores in Kingston and Portmore. And they were telling me prices anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 for one length of 1x12 by 16 womanized lumber. But the person that I found to do the crown moldings for a reasonable price was in Clarendon. So I went to a hardware store in Clarendon and I was able to purchase the material for $4,000 and some change. So I ended up getting an extra length, and I paid half the cost of what I would have paid if I purchased it at one of those other hardware stores. And that worked out in my favor because the difference went towards the labor costs. And when I call around to get these prices, I just write them down in my handy dandy notepad. So if I need that material again later, I could just go back to my notes where I got that material from. But the thing is, prices fluctuate over time, so you're not guaranteed to get it for the same price. These are just a few of the tips that can help you save thousands of dollars. But don't be afraid to fail, because you're going to learn from your experiences. But honestly, at this point, I've realized that it's a part of the game, because you pay for what you don't know. And if you don't roll the dice, then you're going to have to pay a hefty price. Because if you don't invest, then you won't get no return, and that money ain't gonna do its best. So put that bread up and keep your head up, because we're gonna make it do what it do out here. Because you gotta take risk. It's the only way to make it out this. And it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.